Quality Control and Improvement, Module 7, Lecture 2, Process Reliability. So in this lecture, final lecture of the series, we're going to take a look at the reliability of a process. Specifically, we're going to look at hybrid combinations, which are combinations of elements that are in series and parallel. So the alarm system shown is wired to the doors and the windows. It contains series, parallel, and backup components. Calculate the reliability of the system. So here, looking at this, we can see we have the sensors that are in parallel. The CPU, the keyboard, and the siren are all in series, and then we have a backup system. So here we're going to kind of have to break this thing down into its individual elements. Let's calculate the reliability of the backup system, the parallel system, and then we'll do lastly we'll do the entire elements that are in series. So first of all, let's start with the components in parallel. We have 5 sensors in parallel. So our formula here for the parallel elements, each of the R's is exactly the same. So, R1 is 0.99, and that's R2 and R3 and R4 and R5 are all 0.99. So you get 1 minus 1 minus 0.99 raised to the 5th because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So this is approximately 1. It's 0.99999. We'll just round this off to 1 for the sensors. So for the backup system, we apply the formula from the previous lecture. The reliability is equal to R1 plus the backup times R1 minus R1. So here the power source, that's our R1, and then our backup is 0.88. So we calculate this, we get 0.99 for the reliability of the power source and the battery. So here the overall reliability of the system is easy to calculate. We simply multiply the individual reliabilities. So what we've done, we've taken the power source and the battery and we've replaced it by one element. That's our power here. We calculated. We've taken the 5 sensors and we replaced those by 1 element. That was 1. So now what we have is we have 5 elements in series. And so back to our formula for calculating reliability of a series elements, we can just multiply these together and we get 0.84 as the reliability of the entire system. So having completed this lecture, that's the end of this module. In fact, this is the last module of the sequence. I've really enjoyed teaching the course in quality control and improvement. I hope you've learned something. I know you have, and I've enjoyed having you all in class, and I look forward to seeing you in future courses.